Hey guys, it's Justine, and today what is inside this box is something that is so perfect that I think that it was actually made just for me. Like, it should have my name on it, but it doesn't. But what name, or rather a logo that it has on it, is the Razer logo, because this is a brand new 13-inch blade stealth and it is pink. I think that you can feel my excitement. Like, I'm trying to keep sort of calm because sometimes when I get really excited, you guys say that I'm overreacting, but I'm not. I just get very excited about things that I like and that I'm passionate about. So with that being said, let's open it up. Also for this unboxing, since everything is beautiful and pink, we've got this. This is one of my favorite unboxing knives. And not only are we gonna be unboxing the laptop, but I've also got a bunch of their pink accessories as well. So that is in a box over here. Just know that this video is probably never gonna end. But first, friends, the laptop. Let me put this away. Oh God, thumbs. I am not strong. This is also one of my favorites. It is so beautiful. Oh, there's a box inside of a box. Surprise. We've also got this. Don't need that anymore. First things first, we've got our power cable. This is so freaking exciting. Look at this. So this is the 13-inch. Wow. What I love about this is definitely something that I can also travel with. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, shh, listen. I think my nails maybe are a little aggressive. It's so light. I'm so shocked. So we've got two USB ports here. We've got USB-A, USB-C. We've also got the same, but also a headphone jack. What else do we have in here? What's this? Is this a note? Is it a note for me? So they don't actually call this pink, they call it quartz, which is great because quartz crystal is probably one of my favorite crystals. Look at this. Holographic stickers. You guys are about to see the most aggressive quartz setup ever. Let's turn this on. It's so beautiful. Like, this thing looks so great. I'm honestly shocked. Like, it looks so good. Wow. So this is a part of the Blade Stealth line, and this particular model came out in December, but now it is out in pink. Well, it's actually called quartz, that's the official Razer color, but if you ask me, this looks pink to me. I'm gonna plug this in, let it charge up, and now let's get to some other really fun quartz unboxings. Oh gosh. I've unboxed a few quartz items previously, but a bunch of these are not necessarily new products, but they are new in the color quartz. I have dropped something. Oh my gosh, oh shoot. This makeup powder. So I just dropped this and then I dropped the knife on top of it. This is why I'm not a beauty guru. Oh boy. We've got so many things to unbox here. I'm not really sure what to start with, but let's just think about this logically. I've got my laptop. I'm probably gonna want a mouse. And then for my mouse, I'm gonna need a mouse pad. So let's start with those things. It's so beautiful. So I have a bunch of other pink Razer things that I got previously, but my sister and I split them up because she took half and then I took the other half. So this is great because now we both can have pink things. So now we've got our mouse. Make sure I don't lose added pieces. You can swap out this little guy if you want a shorter little button. So we've got our mouse, we've got our laptop. We're gonna need a mouse pad, obviously. This thing is huge. I have been eyeing one of these up for quite a while, actually. And today is my day. More stickers. Gosh, these are so beautiful. So what's great about this is it has LED lights all around it. I'm also working on redoing my office again, so this is gonna be such a perfect addition. Oh yes, okay, this is so incredible. You basically can just have an entire freaking desk be a mouse pad. So this is gonna be great for the setup that I'm currently working on. It's probably gonna be a while until I finish it because realistically, I've been trying to do this for over a year and here I am, not accomplishing all of the tasks that I would like. Probably a little aggressive for my laptop setup here, but never say never, says Justin Bieber. This is gonna get interesting because I only have 2 USB ports on here, but what I do have is on this base station for my headphones, this gives me 3 additional ports. So what that means, my friends, that's gonna be the next thing that I have to open. So what's great is you can also adjust all of these colors inside of the Razer Synapse app, which you would think that I would have internet in my house, but for whatever reason, Spectrum keeps failing me. So I can't even connect to the internet right now. Hi, I'm Justine. I don't even have internet. Like, I'm gonna have to tether to my phone. So we're gonna open this up next so that we'll be able to have additional USB ports. This stand is actually really nice. This is gonna look so good in my new setup. Like, I'm so hyped to show it to you guys. I still have the box stuck to it. So we've got our headphone stand now. We're gonna plug this in over here. This is gonna be so wild. I know there's a lot of cables going on, but there are LED lights here. We've got LED lights at the bottom of the headphone stand. This is the Siren X. This is one of the mini little microphones that they have. And I love this one because I probably will use this when I'm traveling. I have one of their larger ones, and it's actually the microphone that I use all the time to record all of my VO. I'm running out of room. I love that everything matches. I feel like the stereotypical girl right now, but you know what? I am living a dream that I never thought would be possible when I was a little girl. Like, I wanted pink accessories. Guess what we didn't have? So also inside this box, we've got a USB cable, base stand here for this. Looks like this just screws in here, that screws in here. This is like freaking Barbie's dream house. Barbie's gaming dream house. I'm loving it. So this is one of the new Kraken headphones. Also comes in Quartz. The ear cups have been updated. They also have a little extra padding at the top. So for more comfort, and the new microphone has better noise canceling. Smells fresh. It smells like a fresh freaking headset. This is so excessive. I can't even handle it. So I can also plug in my headphones into the microphone as well. So we've only got one more thing left to open, and it's the keyboard. Yeah, this looks good. Ugh. I've run out of desk space. Okay, well, here's the keyboard. So Razer definitely has outdone themselves with their Quartz. Okay, we are setting up. I just heard the headphones pop on. Let me watch a YouTube video. Let me hear a song or something. What's popping on YouTube? Let's see, I'll look up Slayer, Angel of Death. This video, that is not even a video, has 18 million views. I just keep thinking of high school Justine listening to Slayer, and it was a time in my life. I don't regret it. One of the cool things in the Razer Synapse app, like I was mentioning before, you're actually able to customize all of the LED colors. So inside Chroma Studio, you have all of these little presets and effects that you can add. You can change colors, all kinds of plugins and add-ons that you can get to work with the LED lights, with Razer, with your hue lights. So it's really cool because you can not only control the LED lights on your computer, but you can basically control the lights in your house as well. Let me just shut off one of these lights. I'll shut off the big guy. Does that help? Can you guys see some things? Let's click over here to lighting. Yeah, that looks good. The breathing, it's so good. It's so good. I mean, I'm basically just making everything pink. Go figure. Pink, okay. Oh my gosh, everything is breathing. Okay, I'll turn the lights back on. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm definitely looking forward to more people getting their hands on these because they are so awesome, and I'm a huge fan of Razer and all of their products, and I'm especially a huge fan of the Quartz line. I know, it might be stereotypical, but I don't care, and neither should you. Again, this is the new Quartz 13-inch Blade Stealth laptop. Huge thank you to Razer for sending me these things to check out. This video isn't sponsored, but they did send me these things, and I'm so excited to set up my new gaming office and my editing bays. I have so much stuff in store for 2019, and I need to get started on it. It's so crazy because January is pretty much already over. We're already hopping into February, but thank you guys for watching, and thanks for coming along for this unboxing. Now I gotta go edit this video and put my knives away. So with that, I'll see you guys in my next video.